out there, but the energy level should not come down. You have to wish loudly. Good morning. And now, before I say anything, I want all of you, because the volume of the clapping was very, very dismal. I want all of you to clap for all these participants who have done such a wonderful job. Let's start clapping in a rhythmic manner. All of you. So this is for all the participants and for each one of you who sat down here to listen so patiently. Another few minutes, I promise I will not speak longer today because it's very, very hot out there. You know, it really gives me so much of pleasure to see the talent which we have. It is actually the real testament of their hard work, their talent, their dedication and perseverance. They have really put up a beautiful performance, each and every one. You know, such competitions, you have to sort out the winners. But according to me, all the participants are winners. You may not get the winner's tag, but standing before the audience and memorizing those lines and reaching out to each one of you is incredible enough. So I want another round of applause for all the participants who have been courageous enough. I said another round of applause. Where is the applause? Who have shown the grit, the determination and the perseverance to put up the best performance. I would like to congratulate each and every participant, along with my congratulations to all the teachers who guided them and helped them to excel in this wonderful event. And definitely, thanks to all the judges, I'm sure they will give a very discreet judgment and not be biased. So up to the merit of the child, I'm sure the judgment would have taken place. And I want such events to be a regular feature with all of us. This is actually helping you to excel in your academics. You know, learning poetry is not an easy task. To recite a poem, you have to elevate your level. So, it brushes up your literature, and more importantly, it brushes up your skill for communication, which is the prerequisite to be successful in this world. I would like to end with a famous quote by Michael Jordan. I hope you have heard the name of Michael Jordan. Anyone? Who is Michael Jordan? There's so much of noise, there's so much of talking going on already. We need to learn to listen, to be quiet at times. Michael Jordan once said, we have competition every day. Why did he say that? Because we want to ensure to be competitive with our own self, to live up to that expectation which we think that we could achieve. So every day, in every task, in every moment, there is a competition, provided you put your heart and soul to it. So God bless you all. Congratulations once again to all of you. Thank you.